Okay, we're going to talk about variable text with batch. So that based on pre-cut plates, metals, serial number tags, things of this sort. You got 100 knives to do, you got 100 gun parts to do. They're all going to have different serial numbers, different names, whatever the text is. You're going to have them send you a file that is tab delimited. So an Excel spreadsheet will work, but it can be a text file as well. So if you go into Engravelab and you select your names, and then you click on the badge tool, and you take off custom size. So it's going to make it exactly the size that you're going to be. I'm going to do 19 of them. Now I'm going to assign a text file to it, right? And then I'm going to open it up, so it's going to be in here. That's the file that the client sent me. And then the client might have, on that layout, might have 6 or 7 lines. Only select the lines that are variable. Leave the rest of the lines alone, and you'll see them in here if I had more, right? Then when you click OK, you're going to get this spreadsheet. You can make actual changes to this if you wish. You catch that consultant's not spelled right or something. So click OK and look across the bottom. There's your pages. If you're doing this with a print driver, you can download the entire file and the print laser will stop between each one. If you're doing this with a graphical interface like RDWorks, LaserWorks, LagunaWorks, you can set and download the files one at a time via your icon and just call them ABC1, ABC2, ABC3 and run them that way. At the very least, the laser is always going to stop. You're always going to have to change the plate. You're always going to have to hit start. So pretty much the same thing. Now, the big thing is make sure your first line that you make, when you make this, make sure that line has got the most number of letters of any name. So, for example, Alexander Andropoulos. Then it will automatically auto-condense to the lines. It's that simple. Thanks.